Going down a soda, gonna have myself a time. Stupid engines everywhere, maybe cause an explosion. Going down a soda, gonna leave my woes behind. No jobs day or night, cause we live in some guy's bedroom. Going down a soda, gonna see if I can unwind. If I see one more Recolor, I'm gonna kill myself. So come on down a soda and meet some friends, man.
Hey guys, Thomas the Tank Engine here, and you may be wondering, why am I talking to you directly? Well, this season's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be basically just all the episodes that were supposed to be made but didn't, so we're going to make them now, because we still have the footage. Yeah! Not sure how long this season is going to last like that for, but maybe, who knows? It is like this for the foreseeable future, so let's just get started.
Why are we all here? I think you all know exactly why we're here. Oh God. You see, there's just too many E2s around here. Wait, hold on. Why is he missing a face? Oh, he's been like that for about 2 years. Cool, well I don't care. So, we've got Owen, you, I forgot your name, and Steelworks Ryan. Wait, why am I here? Because you're an E2. Wait, where's Timothy? I can explain. Save it for court. Now, what are we gonna do? Oh, I know! We could play a game. What type of game? Let's bully Donald and Douglas. Okay, that sounds like fun. And then I said to them, "Your dad." Dougie? That makes no sense. Ow! What the hell? What was that? Oh, I'll get that out. Haha, ya missed me. You missed again. Didn't miss that time. Wait, what the? Well, everyone, I'd say that was, something. Can we join too? Where are you twos? Okay, you're not meant to be eaters, but just come on in anyway. Hey, two new members, Stepney and Arthur. You know what? This isn't even an E2 group anymore. I'm leaving. I'm going home. But Thomas, you don't have a home. Neither do you. Yes, it's exciting. Shut up. It's not like we even have Tidmouth sheds anyway. We just got here. Screw this, I'm going back to Toby, a short film. Wait a minute. Has anybody seen Mark? Uh-oh. Mark's buddy to make awesome. You mean you did, right? I'll catch him. So, you gonna leave? No. Okay. Come on, Stepney. Where are we going? Back to the list of unused characters.